Next up, let's take a look at top stories making headlines across India at this hour. A 57-year-old Bengaluru resident has fallen victim to a massive cyber fraud, losing 31.83 crore rupees in what police described as a digital arrest scam. The ordeal began in September last year with a fake DHL call alleging illegal items in a parcel booked under her name. Fraudsters posing as CBI officials then forced her into isolation via Skype. A total of 187 transactions drained her savings until March 2025. An FIR has been registered at the CEN Crime Police Station under the IT Act and BNS provisions. Minister of State for Defence Sanjay Seth will lead an Indian delegation to the Dubai Air Show 2025, which is set to take place from November 17th to 18th in the United Arab Emirates. A statement by Ministry of Defence said that the Indian delegation will include senior officers from the Department of Defence, the Department of Defence Production, Ministry of External Affairs and the Armed Forces. A bilateral meeting between MOS Sanjay Seth and his UAE counterpart is also planned on the sidelines of the air show. The renowned Sabrimala Ayyappa temple in Kerala has been opened for the auspicious Mandala pilgrimage season. Newly appointed chief priest opened the sanctum sanctorum amid the chants Ayyappa. The hill shrine is set to welcome lakhs of pilgrims seeking blessings and spiritual experience. Keeping the heavy rush in mind, elaborate arrangements have been made by the Travancore Devaswamy Board and the state government. Ono Keiichi, ambassador of Japan to India, shared a post that showed him relishing biryani during his visit to Telangana and stated that he was amazed by its rich spices and bold flavors. In a post on social media, the ambassador said enjoyed authentic Hyderabadi biryani during a visit to Telangana, amazed by its rich spices, bold flavors. Truly addictive. Earlier, Ambassador Keiichi held talks with Andhra Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu on deepening Japan-Andhra Pradesh ties as well in India.